Hi, this is your science instructional video for Wednesday, January 6th. Today we'll be talking about motion distance time graph and time distance graph match on Schoology. And this is going to be for a grade. So you click on this and it says read the information on the Google slide and complete the last two slides. Add information that helps you to your notes from yesterday. Then use your notes to complete the Schoology assignment. So this is called motion distance time graphs. So motion is a change in an object's position relative to another object. The motion of an object can be shown in a graph. Graphing distance versus time, we can tell you about the object's motion. Time is always plotted on the x-axis, and you can see here, while distance is plotted on the y-axis. Time is always plotted on the x-axis, the bottom of the graph. The further to the right on the axis, the longer the time from the start. Distance, okay, is plotted on the y-axis side of the graph. The higher up the graph, the further from start, okay? So if a force, which is a push or a pull on an object, is applied to a moving object, the object can speed up, slow down, or come to a stop. A force can cause change in the direction an object is moving. If an object is not moving, a horizontal line is shown on the distance time graph, as you see here below. Time is increasing to the right, but its distance does not change. Okay? It is not moving. A straight horizontal line shows an object at rest or stopped. If an object is moving at a constant speed, it means it has the same increase in distance in a given time. Time is increasing to the right, and distance is increasing consistently with time. The object moves at a constant speed. An upward slope straight line on a graph shows constant speed of an object. Comparing two lines. Both lines in the graph shows that each object moved the same distance, but the steeper dashed line got there before the other one. A steeper line indicates a larger distance moved in a given time. In other words, increased speed. Both lines are straight, so both speeds are constant. The graph shows acceleration look different from those that show constant speed. The line on this graph is a curving upwards. This shows an increase in speed since the line is getting steeper. In other words, in a given time, the distance the object moves is change, which is getting larger. It is accelerating. Graphs that show a return to start or return to point of origin looks different from those that show constant speed, away from the point of origin. The line on this graph shows an object returning to start at a constant speed. Summarizing distance time graph. So we're going to start to summarize, and you can see here in this graph, which is very, very interesting because it shows you like how it's slowing down, if you have a steady speed, stationary, returning to 0 points, if it's getting faster, fast, steady speed. So this is just summarizing everything. So on slide 6 is which of the graphs shows that one of the runners started 10 yards further ahead of the other? Explain your answer. Is it A, B, C, or D? Slide number 7. In which of the following graph below are both runners moving at the same speed? Is it A, B, C, and D? And please explain your answer. Now, you will go back out and you will complete your time distance graph match. Please use your notes, guys. I hope you've been taking your notes down. And all you're doing is matching, okay? You're looking at the graphs and you're just matching. That's all you're doing is to click and drag. Match the graph to the description. It will help you use your notes, guys, please. And that is it for the science instructional video for Wednesday. Thank you, guys.